Today I'm going to be taking a trip through Fairlington and into Shirlington. I'm going to be driving through this neighborhood sort of haphazardly, as this is, again, not a neighborhood that I'm too familiar with, but I scoped it out on Google, so we'll see how I do. I am right now on Columbus Street, South Columbus Street. And according to my calculations, this is going to be like South 29th. Yes, here we are. We're now on South 29th Street going through the Fairlington community. A lot of people over the years who've lived in these homes. This is 29th and South Buchanan. I'm gonna cross Buchanan and I'm gonna go up and take a right on Abingdon. Here I am at Abingdon Street, taking a right. This is apparently the management office of the community. Most of these places, look pretty much exactly like each other. There's not a lot of differentiation. Okay, now I am at 31st Street, and I'm going to take a left here. 31st and Woodrow. This appears to be some sort of something over here. Not sure what it is though. Post office or something? I'm not sure. This is the Shirlington House Apartments on my left here. Arrived at Randolph Street, where I'm going to take a left to head into the Shirlington neighborhood. detour, and that may screw up my plans here. We'll see how I do. I'm coming up at Campbell Avenue. The plan was to turn right here, but that may not be possible. Or maybe it is. So there's a lot of construction going on here. Some sort of something happening in the middle of this road, but you can see some of the stores on the other side. So here I am at South Quincy. I'm going to turn left here. To Arlington Mill Road, where I'm going to take a left. Okay, I'm on Arlington Mill Road, and I know this becomes 4 Mile Run Drive at some point. There's Dudley's, and there's the old Shirlington Theater, now an AMC Theater. I am crossing Campbell Avenue here. Taylor Street. There's the Animal Welfare League. Drive now, and I'm gonna take a right onto it. And I'm gonna turn left here to stay on South 4 Mile Run Drive. Lots of the George Mason. Apartments. Columbia Pike now. Crossing South Taylor Street. And South Thomas Street. I'm at an intersection now, stoplight for South Wakefield. I'm going to be ending this very soon. This is going to be the last Arlington video I do for a while because my book comes out in 2 days. I'm going to be starting doing events and I'll be pretty busy. But I hope that I've managed to go by some places that are of interest to you. I've realized as I've been doing this just how large Arlington is, despite being a small community. I'm taking a right here on South Buchanan, which apparently is a giant hill. I'm going to go up it just so I can find a place to pull over and bring this to a close. Not really sure this is a neighborhood I'm unfamiliar with. That's a neat old house. I'll just go a little bit down here and see what I encounter. Okay, I'm crossing 8th Road South. There's the Barcroft Community House. Some Women's Club of Arlington. Intersection of South Buchanan and 6th Street, continuing on Buchanan. I have absolutely no idea where I'm going to end up here. It's an adventure. Okay, crossing 4th Street. Here I am, now I'm on That's South Pershing Drive. That's interesting. I was on Buchanan, suddenly it's Pershing. Tells me to take a left here, and this is still South Pershing. Crossing First Road south. Says it's still Pershing. First Road south again. This is First Place South. And this is like a service road. That might be Route 50 over there, but I'm not sure. I think so. Okay. And I've come to a dead end, so this seems like an apt place for me to bring this to a close. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope if you're interested, you'll check out my book. I'm going to put a link in the first comment. Happy Saturday.